Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. Today, I just got a new fidget spinner, and I've been waiting for it for so long. And and I really want to check it out. So let's check it out. Special case. So let's get started. Enough fussing. So what you have to do is stack them all on top of each other. All on top, all stacked. Oh, this is really hard. Okay, let's try it again, guys. Stack them. I put the gold one on top. This is really hard because it's all there. I believe this is really cool for you guys. This trick is really hard. Jeez. We'll try it one more time. Guess not. Okay. For our next trick, I'm going to try with the gold one. Try to toss it from one hand to another. Let's see if we can do it. When I got this in the mail, I was like, oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this for so long. And now I just did this trick. It's easier with this one because it's smaller. Oh my gosh. I'm really good at it with this one. One more time. Okay. For our next trick, we're going to try to balance it on my knee with 3 of them. Oh, that's really hard. Oh, I'm just going to try it with this one. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's really cool. What else tricks do I know? Man, I'm really into this thing. What else? I think, oh, here. Actually, I'm going to try to balance it on the bottom of here. Hopefully, oh, here. That's sweet. Okay. Now, let's try with 3. Oh. Here. I'm going to my dresser because I was on my bed. It's really bouncy. So. Oh guys, that's really cool. Really sweet. So, that's the video. If you like this video, make sure to smash a like, subscribe, and, if you want, leave a, oh, hold on one sec. If you want, leave a comment that it says I subscribe and I left a like. So, peace out.